Guwahati is a beautiful place, starting from cafes to restaurants to places like Deepor Bill. We have so many places to hang out.
But today, on World Environment Day, we have come out to a different place to hang out. And I think you should really see this in case you haven't before.
Waste is an unavoidable consequence of satisfying humans' needs for food, water, shelter, and mobility.
This place really feels like a parallel side of a grocery store. Except, I cannot breathe over here! From packages of chips like Lay's, Kurkure to Uncle Chips, and even plastic bottles like Pepsi, Coca-Cola. What have I not found over here?
This is where all the garbage of Guwahati goes. We have made this place. This place has been made by the residents of Guwahati. As you might have already seen, the place is almost entirely full, and God knows where, when more garbage comes in, where will that be going to?
The compost plant in Boragaon, Guwahati was commissioned in the year 2010, and this is where all the garbage of Guwahati goes to.
I just spoke to a person who got his cows over here, and it really got us curious as to why are there so many cows over here and why does the authority not complain about it, or why are they even here. And he said ki potharot সিহঁতৰ খাবৰ কাৰণে নোহোৱা হৈছে, and that's why he has to get them over here. He has 120 cows presently, and he said that there are almost 2,000 cows who come over here to eat the garbage. I also asked him, like, why do they need to eat the garbage and why does the authority not complain? And he said ki authority does not complain because dinot jodi 2 kg man garbage kom hoi jay because of the cows, then it's good for them, it's good for the authority ki garbage kom hoi ase. But what about the animals who come over here? Yate anytime machine choli thake, sihotor karone bahut risky hoy etu. And then he said ki jodi keteba kumba goru tat lagio jai, there's no problem for the authority. They do not have to answer anybody. It's only their loss. It's only the person's loss who owns the cow. And bahut enuka hoise ki goru yate moriso, acid khai morise. And even one of his cows died, and it died because a dog bit him. Dog bit the cow, but যেতিয়া doctor ahisil and they checked the cow, they found only plastics inside the cow's stomach.
The quantity of waste generated in Guwahati has been consistently rising over the years. The shops in the highway just a kilometer away from the landfill have their own set of problems caused due to the dumping site.
জাবৰৰ গাড়ী আহিলে আহি থাকে, এনি টাইম গন্ধবিলাক, বেয়া গন্ধবিলাক গাড়ী যাই থাকে জাবৰৰ। ইয়াৰেতো ওচৰৰ মানুহে কৈয়ে থাকে বহুত গন্ধ আহি থাকে, ইয়াতে পেলাব নালাগে, বেলেগত নিব লাগে। কাষ্টমাৰো কয় ইমান গন্ধ ওলাই আছে, আমি তেতিয়া কওঁ এই জাবৰৰ গাড়ী আহিছে এইকাৰণে গন্ধ আহিছে এনেকৈ কওঁ। কাষ্টমাৰে অলপ প্ৰব্লেম পায় আৰু গন্ধটো পালি ইমান এটা ৰখিব ইচ্ছা নকৰে, ডাইৰেক্ট গুচি যায়।
আৰু প্ৰব্লেম মানে কি হয়, মাজে মাজে আপোনাৰ ধৰক মানে বেয়া স্মেল আহে, সেইটো কাৰণে মাজতে কমপ্লেইনো কৰা হৈছিল আমি মানে GMCH, কিন্তু এইটো কোনো ছাছপেণ্ড মানে মাজতে ক'লে যে এইটো ইফালে উঠি যাব, তাৰপিছত এতিয়াতো একো হোৱা নাই। আৰু যি গাড়ীবিলাক অহা যোৱা কৰে এইটো ৰ'ডটো বেয়া হয়, মেইনলি আমাৰ যিটো এইটো মেইন ৰ'ডটো বেয়া হয়। বছৰ মান হ'ল আমি পাব্লিকলি কমপ্লেইন কৰিছিলোঁ, এইটো মানে আমাৰ বিধায়ককো আনিছিলোঁ এইটোত, আমি এখন মিটিং কৰিছিলোঁ, পাব্লিক মিটিং, কিন্তু তাৰপিছত একো হোৱা নাই। আমি এইটো শ্ল' হৈ গ'ল আৰু তাৰপিছত আমি আৰু বহি দিলোঁ আৰু একো হেৰি মানে। মাখিটোৰ উৎপাত বহুত বেছি হয় ইয়াতে, মাখি মহৰ। এতিয়া ধৰক মানে আমিতো ফুডৰ লগত জড়িত, আমাৰ ইয়াত মেক্সিমাম মাখি আহে মানে আপোনাৰ মানে ছামাৰ ছিজনটোত, অলপ উইণ্টাৰটোত কমি থাকে, বাকী ছামাৰ ছিজনত মেক্সিমাম মাখিৰ উৎপাত হয় ইয়াতে।
So we are standing in Deepor Bill right now, and just behind me you can see the huge dumps of those huge mountains where we have just come from. So how long do you think those mountains will take time to fill in these beautiful spaces of Deepor Bill?
This Environment Day, we wanted to show you where each and every plastic which we use goes to in Guwahati. Our state is full of natural resources, mountains, but the mountains we have just come from is one such mountain which we Guwahatians have created. Do you really wish for such mountains in Guwahati? It's high time to take care of your Guwahati.
Because it's your city.